Let's talk about TikTok Creativity Program Beta. How does it actually work? How do you actually make money? So a couple days ago on some of my TikTok accounts, I got this pop-up. When I try to go inside TikTok Creator Fund, this is what I saw: TikTok Creativity Program Beta. And here are the requirements that you need to be able to get into that program. At least 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in last 30 days, and also 18 and over. Now, one thing you got to remember, you can only make money from this creativity program beta if you make videos of more than 1 minute. So if you make a really short video, do not join. So when I click on apply, here is the another next screen, the notification, switch to TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Now, I was switching on this account because on this account, I previously had TikTok Creator Fund. And then when I confirmed it, it gave me an option to add the payout information. So you got to add your tax information and your payout information. That's where you want to receive the income from TikTok, from this creativity program beta. Now, here is on my account. This is my TikTok account, one of my TikTok accounts. You can see it's already started making money. Not a lot, $4.68. But let me go back. You'll see inside Creator Tools. So I used to have Creator Fund. Instead of that, now I see Creativity Program Beta, because I switched from the Creator Fund to this one. Now let's talk about this. It actually looks like it's actually much better. The payout compared to the Creator Fund, it's much better payout. And I know it's not, probably it's not gonna pay your rent unless you have crazy amount of views, but still it's much better. Than, looks like a step in the right direction from TikTok. Now let's look at this. Here's my estimated revenue, but you can see I only started making money and there's only one video that's making money right now. Other videos have not qualified to be in the creativity beta program, and we'll see that in a second. So let's break it down. So far I've only made $4.68. That's my estimated rewards, number of eligible video rewards. And then the next one is qualified views. Now this is extremely important. You gotta internalize this one. So when do you actually make money? Rewards are available to video with at least 1,000 unique views. So on your videos, if you do not have 1,000 views, unique views, you're not gonna make money. And then there's more. Views, and how do they calculate the views? Watch time is at least 5 seconds. So they gotta watch your video for at least 5 seconds. So what this means is use good hooks, use stronger hooks, entice people to watch your videos longer or till the end. Views with dislikes are not considered, and multiple views from the same account are only counted as one view. So if one person is watching your videos again and again and again, it's one qualified view. All right, let's go back. And then here is really cool, the RPM. RPM is a revenue per mil, revenue per 1,000 views on your TikTok. It's 54 cents. That's actually a lot more compared to what I've seen on YouTube Shorts, or actually Facebook Reels, used to be like Instagram Reels. By the way, if you want me to do a comparison of TikTok RPMs from the creativity program and versus, let's say, YouTube, let me know, and let me know in the comments, and I can create more videos and do a full comparison, because the RPMs on YouTube are way less than this. This is like 10-20 times higher. But we can do a full comparison and breakdown. Now this shows there's only one video that qualifies so far, shows video longer than 1 minute with rewards in the past 30 days. I don't have any other videos on this account that are counting towards the creativity program beta rewards. So here you go. So if you're not switched over, number one, make sure you are committed to making videos longer than 1 minute, because otherwise, if you are still gonna focus on making short form videos, it's probably not worth switching over to the creativity program. But if you do want to make videos longer than 1 minute, it seems like that's the trend, that's the direction TikTok wants to go to. You can switch over, and it looks like you're getting much better RPMs. And by the way, if you've switched over and you're already seeing RPMs, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you're seeing. Are you seeing higher than this? And I bet they're gonna differ for every account, because the audience is different and the region is different, the content type is different. For example, my content is educational. If you have pranks or entertainment or music content, the RPM might be completely different. Also, depending on where your audience is, where your viewers are coming from, it could be completely different too. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.